Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start in the Photos app. Tap Select and choose every image you want combined into a single PDF. Once done, make sure orientation and crop are correct so pages read properly later. Tap the Share button at the bottom left to reveal options. This is where conversion begins. You do this now rather than later to avoid re-editing. Make sure live photos are frozen or exported as stills so they become regular pages rather than moving images. From the Share Sheet Pick Print, you are not printing, you are creating a PDF. Use the two-finger pinch-out on the print preview to generate a PDF preview. This converts your selected photos into pages. Once you see the PDF, swipe to confirm page order. If something's out of place, cancel and reorder images in Photos, then repeat. You can tap Markup to add signatures or highlights before saving, which avoids a second edit step later. With the PDF preview open, tap the Share icon and choose Save to Files or send directly via mail, messages, or AirDrop. Make sure to pick a folder and file name you'll remember. If the PDF is too large, export to Files, then long press and use Compress, or reduce image size before repeating the conversion. If conversion fails, check that images aren't cloud-locked hike variants, toggle iCloud Photos off then on, or force quit Photos and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.